So you're considering dropping around $2,000 on the DJI Air 3, but you're wondering if it's actually worth it. I mean, that's a pretty steep price point for a drone, and you want to know if the features and performance justify the cost. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon, and I'll give you my honest take on whether this drone is right for you. One of the things that really drew me to the DJI Air 3 is its capture capabilities. With dual primary cameras, including a medium tele and wide-angle lens, you can get some truly breathtaking shots. I've used it to capture stunning 48MP photos and 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video, and the results are really impressive. For example, I took it on a trip to the mountains and was able to get some amazing footage of the scenery, which really showcased the drone's ability to handle a variety of environments. The drone also complies with FAA remote ID requirements, which is a big plus for anyone who's serious about flying. And with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone is going to be able to avoid any obstacles in its path. I've found this feature to be really useful when flying in tight spaces or around trees and other obstacles. The 46-minute max flight time is also a big advantage, as it gives you plenty of time to get the shots you need without having to worry about running out of battery. In terms of practical benefits, the DJI Air 3 is great for capturing immersive footage for film or video projects, and the rich details and high-quality images make it perfect for landscape photography. The stable 04 HD transmission also ensures that your flights are smooth and uninterrupted, which is really important if you're trying to get professional-grade footage. And with the ability to record stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video, you can create some truly amazing content. Now, I know that no product is perfect, and there are a few things to consider before buying the DJI Air 3. On the plus side, the drone is really easy to fly, and the image quality is top-notch. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing also gives you a lot of peace of mind when you're flying. However, one thing to note is that due to platform compatibility issues, the DJI Fly app has some limitations when it comes to certain features. Additionally, the drone's size and weight can make it a bit tricky to transport, which might be a concern for some users. Overall, I think the DJI Air 3 is a great choice for anyone who's serious about drone photography or videography. The features and performance are really impressive, and the drone is well worth considering if you're in the market for a high-end model. If you're interested in learning more or checking out the latest price on Amazon, the link is in the description below.